Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're super excited to introduce you to the latest innovation from Apple, the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is Apple's newest masterpiece, designed to revolutionize the way we see and interact with technology. Let's start with the design. The Vision Pro boasts a sleek, modern look with a premium build quality. Crafted from high-quality materials, this device not only looks good but feels incredibly durable. One of the standout features is the stunning Retina display. Colors are vibrant, and the resolution is crystal clear. First, we have the user manual book. Then we have polishing cloth, light seal cushion. Then we have dual loop band, battery, 30W adapter USB-C cable. And don't worry about running out of juice. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 12 hours on a single charge. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Vision Pro features a 12-MP rear camera that captures detailed and vibrant photos, even in low light. The front camera is perfect for high-quality video calls, making it ideal for staying connected with friends and family. Running on the latest iOS, the Vision Pro offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. So, what do you think of the Apple Vision Pro? Let us know in the comments below.